Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my refrigerator. So this is my deep freezer, and I have got some juices. It's organic juices. Um, when I need a juice, I can get from that and then make the juice. And all these are frozen vegetables that I use for my baby and for us as well. And this is my husband's one of the favorite ice cream, and that is salmon. And we got some okra and chicken from Costco, and then chicken thighs from Fred Meyer's for the baby. And this is the refrigerator part, and I have some bread there, and butter, olives, cottage cheese for the baby, and canned cones, and Greek yogurt, and then cream cheese for my puddings and some everything is arranged in an order. I'm using these containers to store them, and all these are today I cooked for 2 days. And this drawer is for some fruits. I'm using it for some fruits, and all these fruits, some fresh fruits for the baby. There is strawberry, blackberry, blueberries, and kiwi, and then grapes and milk. These storages are for vegetables, and this is my favorite, curry leaves. I just keep all these in Ziploc bags because I feel like it has a long life when I keep in Ziploc bags. And this is my refrigerator door, and I use it to store all the sauces, and then some kind of food jars. This is something chili oil, and I have got some mustard. All those are for my salads and my bakings. All these for my baby, unsalted butter, and then cheese. And here we got some cheddar cheese, and then prune juice for the baby, you know why. And this is some ketchup and mayonnaise and chili sauce. All these on my refrigerator door. So please excuse the background noises of my baby. He is awake from early morning. So this is my fridge tour for you. Thanks for watching.